Hi, this is Karthik Person, BTech undergrad at Bennett University. I am here to explain my 6-week long internship at TechieMax. As you all aware of situation that COVID-19 left us in. It is one of the worst caused recession after World War One. So every possible industries and lives like startups, companies and many people and education institutes especially got affected very badly. So getting an internship and pursuing one is very hard. But our university provided very few good opportunities to pursue. So we landed one, that is TechieMax. TechieMax is IT services and product engineering solutions company. It specializes over building hybrid cross platforms and works with several successful clients. They are located at Hyderabad and operating over 5+ years and having very good track record. Unfortunately, because of COVID, we couldn't go and work with people. So we are provided projects to work from home, and we are provided a mentor and guider called Musa. Musa ma'am provided a project for one of our client to develop a BI tool. BI tool is basically called business intelligence tool. It is data visualization thing where we show raw data in the form of pie charts, graphs to get data insights. In further, I will explain my project through PPTs.
Hello everyone, this is Karthik Potlapalli from Bennett University. Today I'll be sharing you my internship journey of 6 weeks at TechieMax as a business intelligence analyst. So guys, before going to my overview of project, which project I've taken up and which project I've done at TechieMax, I would like to give like what does my role in this corporation, in this TechMax corporation. So as I said, I was assigned as a business intelligence analyst. Like so many may know. So what is business intelligence analyst? So those who don't know, I'll be giving you a brief intro about my role. So my role is a simple role. Like the I will say what defines a business intelligence is it's a tool will helping you understand trends and deriving insights from your data so that you can make a tactical and strategic business. I'll give a small example. If you uploading a video on your YouTube, and if you see the graphs and the view of number of viewers to your video, newly uploaded video, you can clearly say that like most of the people will be on social media at evening, some 6 to 8, like yeah, evening or night hours. So if you release at that time, the most of the people who can watch your video, maybe it will be far more better than the if you release at some evening or afternoon time, right? So everything, the example which I've taken, you can see in your the pie charts or in some analytics or some it kind of graph like so this kind of by using this kind of tools you'll be getting the graph kind of things and the pie chart, the demographics of everything. So this is my role. So let's go to the my about the organization. TechMax is an IT service startup specialized in providing hybrid cross-platform app development using cutting-edge and emerging technologies. So TechMax provides high-quality software development and consulting service to independent software vendors and enterprise with wow factor. So the TechMax mission is it's a leading IT service, product engineering, building on our technologies and competence and customer interests and creating a value for stakeholders and customers. So that's the TechMax mission. So next I'll go to my introduction of project. So as I said, my role has been assigned as a business intelligence analyst. So automatically my role will be to the same domain itself, right? So my role is like I need to create a tool that gives the output of something which gives the insight of the particular data or particular work. So I need to create a thing which you can get the insights or you can develop your project or you can develop your like you can develop your I mean startup, right? Everything you can if you have some kind of output data on your work you can develop by seeing by taking the insights by looking at the graphs or by looking at the pie charts what is your work and what you have to do like by seeing this analysis you can know what you want to do. So that's my role, and that's the project I've done. Like my project is I've created a dashboard for a particular startup. So related work. Reporting is a central facet of the business intelligence, and the dashboard is perhaps the asterical BI tool. Dashboards are hosted software applications that automatically pull together available data into charts and graphs that give a sense of immediate state of the company. So I'll go to the problem statement. We need to create a business intelligence, as I said, the dashboard for the e-commerce company, and there should be most of the specifications like where the product the customer want to buy from the e-commerce store, and many customers are currently looking. So as I said, if you release, I will take an example again. So e-commerce, like if I say e-commerce word, the Amazon will be the striking for everyone minds, right? So if you take the Amazon, like they'll be getting know, like if you if you have an account and you're using it, so if you use a day, they'll get to know. So for certain user, what is his interest and what kind of products he's searching for. Everything we'll get in terms of a data, in terms of a graph, in terms of pie chart. So based on that, it'll be providing you the uh, similar kind of what you search regarding your product. Like if you go on searching for OnePlus phone, iPhone, like you want to buy, you search for certain day. So you'll be getting the same suggestions because they came to know that you were interested. So that's how it's a part of a role for them to suggest you a great products. So it's a business tool. It's a business striking idea for them. So it helps you. There are certain tools, existing SAP business tool, MicroStrategy, DataPine, SAS, LO. These are famous tools available in the outside. So proposal solution of my project is our team come up with an idea of developing asynchronous data retrieval from database, and we are much more targeted data retrieval part. Business intelligence is mostly derives with data retrieval. So as I said, so I take an example of a particular day using an Amazon. So if you take the overall, so what person uses, so sorry, what person searches what product. So based on the area, you can disintegrate into the customer area, locality, whatever you want. So whatever you want, that kind of power the business tools have, and you can get the data and you can visualize it tremendously help you to develop your any company growth or startup, anything. So this is simulation setup we created. We're using JavaScript, and we have used HTML, CSS too. So this is our coding part. This I need to. So the results will be, as I said, there will be pie chart available on the graph. This is dashboard we created. See how it's looking. It's pretty good, right? So this is social component, status, budget changes. So everything the user whatever it did, it automatically displays. It will be available to everyone. So that by seeing the interests of the people, customer, user, you can know that you can know how much you want to improve your company's product. So that's how it's the learning outcome is. We have learned a lot of things while building this application because there is a learning opportunity for the mistake we did, right? So we created with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and we are pretty scared to do this project at first eventually, but we have a lot of mentors and we have taken the mentors' help. And honestly, we'll say that we have learned something. And as I was assigned a big role, you'll be definitely learning something, right? So at last, I don't have any regrets. I've learned something, and I completed everything which my mentors expected from me. I completed it, so hopefully I done my internship in a great way. So the conclusion and challenges are we faced a lot of challenge while creating this application because we are the first time working on the business intelligence application, and we don't know how the role will be. And when we stepped into this role, we get to know that how deep the area was. So it's pretty interesting, and we worked with my mentors, and whenever we struck anywhere, and they helped us, and it's a mutual understanding between my mentor and me, and hopefully we completed well. So you get internships and get experience. It may useful to you because you'll be exposed into different kind of technologies. That's my word, I can say. So Thank you.
You have seen my projects. It's quite interesting and challenging as well because COVID 19 forced us to work from home. It's quite a lot in switching different technologies, Microsoft Teams, Slack channels, Zoom calls, PPTs, etc. But we learned a lot how to work under a company, how to deal with several clients, how clients' requirements changes over time. We learned about agile, scrums, waterfall, how deadlines work, how requirements change. I'm thankful for Musa ma'am for guiding us in the process. I'm also thankful for my teammate for helping me. I'm grateful for TechieMax and Bennett University for providing opportunities, and they are providing a lot. Thank you. This I think this will enhance my career. Thank you.